Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished for a simpler, smarter way to organize your life? To banish clutter, label spices, sort cables, or even tag products for your small business without the usual hassle? Well, get ready, because the HKHKPI Label Maker machine is here, and it's about to revolutionize how you think about organization. This isn't just another gadget. It's a game changer. First off, let's talk about something truly groundbreaking. It's pocket portable and effortless operation. Seriously, this thing is half the size of traditional label makers you're used to. It slips right into your pocket, your purse, your backpack, meaning you can literally take your organization on the go. Imagine being at the grocery store and realizing you need to label new pantry items the moment you get home, or at a craft fair and needing to print a quick price tag. No more bulky machines, no more tangled wires. It connects instantly via Bluetooth, fully compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. All you do is download the free Not-A-Print app, and within seconds, you're ready to print crisp, sharp 203 DPI labels anywhere, anytime. The freedom this gives you to label on the fly is absolutely unparalleled. It's organization that adapts to your life, not the other way around. Now, let's address the elephant in the room with most printers: ink. Or, in this case, the lack thereof. This HKHKPI Label Maker offers inkless, high-definition printing, and this is where it gets really smart. Forget messy ink cartridges, costly toner refills, or constantly buying AA batteries. This device utilizes advanced thermal printing technology. You simply load the tape, and you're ready to go. Not only does this save you a significant amount of money over time, seriously, think about how much you spend on ink, but it's also incredibly convenient and environmentally friendly. Plus, it's conveniently rechargeable via USB-C, so you can power it up with the same charger you use for your phone. While it prints only in black text, the clarity and definition are absolutely superb, ensuring your labels always look professional and are easy to read. But it's not just about printing. It's about creating. This label maker truly shines with its smart templates for every need and the durability of its labels. The Not-A-Print app is packed with over 1,000 symbols, more than 100 fonts, and a vast array of ready-to-use templates for everything from barcodes and QR codes to professional logos. Need to convert printed text into an editable label? The built-in OCR function has you covered. Importing data from Excel spreadsheets for batch printing, or even using voice commands for seamless operation. Yes, it does that too. You can produce multiple identical labels in seconds, saving you precious time. And the labels themselves? They are waterproof and oil-proof, adhering securely to virtually any surface. Think spice jars, toolboxes, bathroom organizers, or even your kids' lunchboxes. What's more, they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue, so you can relabel as your needs change. It supports a wide range of 14mm width tapes, including various fixed-length options and continuous label paper for ultimate versatility. From keeping your pantry dates in check to managing your kids' school supplies, creating professional price tags for your small business, or taming that spaghetti of cables behind your desk, this compact organizer truly keeps life tidy. It's ideal for homes, offices, and small businesses alike. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a well-organized space? This isn't just a tool. It's an investment in peace of mind and efficiency. If you're looking for a thoughtful, practical gift for Christmas, birthdays, or back-to-school season, this is an absolute winner. Do yourself a favor and experience the sheer joy of effortless organization. You deserve a life that's more organized, more efficient, and frankly, more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to transform your home, office, or business with smart, portable, and cost-effective labeling, the HKHKPI Label Maker machine is absolutely the way to go. Don't just organize, elevate your organization. Find the link